Hello everybody, I'm here today with another one of my arbitrage videos. This is another one on the MATIC chain, MATIC actually Polygon chain. For anyone that's new here, I create arbitrage videos using Solidity code, utilizing smart contracts. Specifically in this arbitrage, I'm going to be utilizing smart contracts from Aave, which are here in GitHub, and from Uniswap. And we're going to be using Flash Loans, some educational information if anyone is new to this type of stuff. And here's some information on what arbitrage trading is. And all links for this will be in the video description as well. So to start with, we're going to have a fresh workspace and Remix. What this is, it is an IDE to compile Solidity smart contracts online. And the only way to really interface with Solidity smart contracts and to deploy contracts to the chain. So first, we're going to get our source code here, Control A, Control C. Then we're going to create a new actually contract. We'll name this MATIC Arbitrage.sol. Make sure it ends in .sol for Solidity, or it will not work. What we're actually doing here is we're going to create our own coin, and we're going to provide liquidity to it, or value to the contract that's going to be used as actually gas for rapidly trading the coin. Then it will inflate the coin's value, and that's where the profit we will see at the end will actually come from. And if we're lucky, as we usually are because this works, we will do 4, 5, 6, 7, 8x. Likely. This has been working for the past 6-8 months. It probably won't work forever. Someone will shut it down, but right now it's fucking awesome. So let's go. We brought in our source code into Remix, and you can see this is using Pragma Solidity 0.50. That's the Solidity Compiler version. So we're going to drop down to this tab, and we're going to swap this to 0.50. Now we're going to compile. You should get this check over here just like me, and that means everything compiled as you should. Now we're going to drop down one more level, and what we need to do is hit this drop down, go to InitiateFlashLoan, and this is where we create our own pointer token that we're going to trade. You can name this whatever you like. The symbol needs to be 3 letters, but you can name it whatever you like, even the same thing that I do, because it will have a unique hash on chain. Regardless if it's the same name, not the same hash. So I'm going to name mine TTT, and or tiny coin is what I meant. Tiny coin. So TTC, and the loan amount here matters. We're going to name this, or we're going to set this here 10,000 for providing $200 worth of actually gas to this contract. The $200 worth of actually gas supports a loan amount of 10,000. So now that we've actually done this, we need to connect our MetaMask, and also inside my MetaMask, I have 290 MATIC. I'm going to fund this with actually $200 worth of MATIC, which is about 230 MATIC, I believe, right now. So over here, let's do $200 to 234 MATIC. So I'm going to now connect my MetaMask to Remix, and you're going to go to Injected Provider MetaMask. You will probably get a pop-up here. Mine is not, because I was messing with this earlier. I'm going to connect like that. And now you can see 290 MATIC. Shows over here the same amount, 290. And FYI, this in the past has worked on actually Firefox, but recently Firefox has had issues connecting to actually Remix. I don't know why that is, but Chromium browsers have no issue. Okay, so make sure that your address matches, as mine does, and the amount of MATIC matches. Okay. So now we're going to actually deploy this coin to the chain. So transact. Confirm. And here is our coin on chain. This is the address for the coin. Now we need to fund this coin with enough actually gas so it can trade. So like I said, 234. So I'm going to copy its address and send over 234 MATIC. Next. Next. Okay. Make sure this goes through. Okay. Now I'm going to run Flash Loan over here. This red button. I'm going to have to confirm the drop down, and then we're going to sit here and watch in real time in about 20 seconds as the arbitrage takes place and we see the profits hit. It's been hitting good lately, guys. So, Flash Loan. Confirm. Let's drop down, okay. Usually takes 20 seconds-ish, 30 seconds, maybe a minute. Hopefully here soon. It's for the longest time in the world. Boop. And guys, that's how it works. And this is in code. And it's not easy to make money in the world right now. And there's a loophole like this. 1,761. What the fuck? And you can do this twice a day on each chain. After that, the freaking dexes, your profit dramatically falls off. So on all the chains that I have, from code for, I run them, for twice a day. Slide chain. The code's in the video description. 1,761 MATIC. Let's see what that is. So we went about 290 total, I think, at the beginning. To 17, what again? 1,761. The 1,496 gallon. 1,496. So a little over $200 to 1,496. I just did a 7x. I wish you guys the best. Y'all like, subscribe. Crypto's where it's at. I love fucking DeFi. Stack some money right now. You guys have a great day.